Good morning children, myself Sureka and I am your English teacher. Today we are going to discuss our first lesson, 7th class English, town mouse and the country mouse. Here we are going two characters. We are going through two characters. One is the town mouse and second one is the country mouse. Here we are going to discuss about the town mouse and the country mouse. Before entering into the lesson, just have a look at this picture children. Can you identify the difference between the town and a village? Here you can find a village here and this is a town. Can you find any differences between these two pictures? So where would you like to live, in a town or in a village? If so, why do you like to stay there? So even animals, what do they feel? Do they feel like us? So answer these two questions. And now let's go through the lesson. Even children, each and everyone like to live in a village. Why? Because the village atmosphere will be very pleasant and very cool. Even though we can find springs, some ponds and fields, green fields, trees, whatever. So each and everything, the atmosphere will be very pleasant. So we feel very pleasant there and we like to live in a village. I don't know what do you feel, but I like to stay in a village. Why? Because I like the pleasant atmosphere there and I feel pleasant to live in that atmosphere, children. So now let's go through the lesson here. Here is a story about the town mouse and the country mouse. So one day the town mouse wanted to go through countryside. So what happened there? Let us see what's going to happen. So the town mouse and the country mouse both were cousins. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. In olden days they have to write letters, but nowadays we are using cell phones. We are going through video calls, WhatsApp chats and whatever. But in olden days it was not like that. They had to write letters. So they have to write letters and they have to know whatever happening there. So in those days they wrote letters for each other. So one day the country mouse got this letter. So here is the letter and have a look at this letter. So town mouse wrote this letter. Town mouse lives in kitchen cupboard. So the town mouse lives in kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town. The kitchen cupboard is in Mouse Town and the date is 11th March 2012. And here the salutation is, Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my